You going back up in here? The beach entry arrived. We are ready to rock and roll. Pools and beyond, fiberglass pool about to put in. Real excited. This is the first beach entry pool. The pool just came out 2 years ago. Let's go. Man, I'm so excited to get this pool in the ground tonight. I think we're good to go. What a good day. It's nice and sunny. Finally pouring concrete at the beach entry pool here in Louisville, Kentucky. We're able to try to get this job finished up. We waited a long time to get the automatic pool cover, but we did the retaining wall, the landscaping. This is really going to be a turnkey job. We're trying to have a swim party for the family this Saturday. So we got a few days to get everything prepped and turn this job over to them so they can get swimming this summer. So it's going to turn out pretty good. That's right, here we go. Who's thirsty? No, no.